If you suspect your partner might be cheating online, observe their behavior for a while. If you notice that they're acting more distant than usual, spending more time online, or being secretive about what they're doing on the internet, it's possible that something is up. Keep a log of any odd things you notice, since this might help you spot a pattern. While it's usually best to talk directly to your partner rather than spying on them, you can always check their browser history or peek at their text if you feel the need to gather evidence. You can also try logging into their email if you know their information, or even installing a keylogger app to track their activities. If you're pretty sure your partner is cheating, sit down with them and have a talk. Bring up your concerns and tell them about any evidence you've found.